Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that converts the first letter of each word in a sentence to uppercase, and we are going to use the title function. First of all, I ask the user to enter a sentence and we are going to store it in the text variable. Then we use the print function to print the outputs, and then we type down the name of my variable dot the title. So when I run this code, it asks me to enter a sentence. So I would say this is Reza Shahin, okay? And it is going to capitalize the first letter of each word. So T is capitalized because it was lowercase, and then I is capitalized here, and this is R, which is capitalized again here, and then S is now in uppercase. As you see, it was in lowercase originally. So in the previous video, we learned how to capitalize the first letter of a string, but here we are learning how to have the uppercase for the first letter of each word. This is how we can use the title function in Python. Thank you for watching.